Planting seeds with JoJo Gnome. First, find a container to use. We used a plastic cup. If the container doesn't have holes in the bottom, then make some. Get an adult to help you with this, as it can be tricky. Fill the container about halfway up with soil or compost. We're growing sunflowers. The seeds for this are quite large, so you'll just need one in each pot if you're going to grow sunflowers. Make a hole in the soil. Pop in the seed. Cover it up with soil and pat it down. Then water the pot. Now you're going to make a label for the plant so you don't forget what you planted. Get an old plastic milk container that has been really well cleaned out. Mark some long thin rectangles on it. These will be your labels. Get an adult to cut out the plastic labels. It can be a bit tricky. Use a permanent marker to decorate the labels. You can write your name, the date, or the name of the plant that your seed will grow into. Now pop the label into the plant pot and put your pot somewhere sunny. Remember to wash your hands. Now wait a few weeks and you should see the plant starting to grow. JoJo Gnome's got a brand new book which is all about sowing seeds and growing things. It's called JoJo Gnome and the Scarecrow. You can get it from Amazon or order it from www.jojognome.com. Keep enjoying growing. Bye!